Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Gardena, handmade by Gardena. Sorry I haven't been on lately. I've been having a lot of problems with my migraines. My migraines have been very much out of control lately, and the doctors have had to switch my medicine around about 3 or 4 times, and they're finally going to send me to a specialist at the end of this month in a different city, so hopefully they can get that fixed. I've suffered from migraines ever since my neck surgery in 2012, but I've been having them almost every day, and the medicine they have me on now makes me very drowsy, so I've been spending a lot of time in bed sleeping. So I guess that's better than hurting. But anyway, I hope everyone had a good Christmas. Everyone had a good New Year. I had a good Christmas at my brother's house with my family. And the New Year, it was quiet. Me and my husband stayed at home and watched Netflix, and I think we made it to 12:06 and we went to sleep. So we told each other Happy New Year and rolled over and went to sleep. But anyway, I am going to do a challenge today, and it's a 10-minute challenge on Cara Brandon's Facebook page, made by Tracy May, a moderator on her page, and it's a 10-minute challenge. You got to make something in 10 minutes. I have my husband's phone. It's broken here, so I have a 10-minute challenge, or a 10-minute timer set here. So that's why my desk is a mess. I have a lot of tags from Tracy Fox and Artie May set out from the tag fabrication kit. I have some labels from Tracy Fox and Shabby Dabby Doodah, Tim Holtz. I have some Tim Holtz people here, some Welltail tabs, all kinds of stuff just laid out here, thinking music paper, book pages, just things I think that I will need. So we'll get started, see if we can do this challenge. I've had a migraine all day, but when I woke up at 8 o'clock tonight, it was gone. Thank goodness. So hopefully I can think long enough to get this challenge done and see if I can do this. I don't know if I can or not, but we'll give it a try. Okay, so let's start the timer. So here we go. Okay, so our timer started. So I am just going to pick some tags. We'll distress it. If you're on Cara Brandon's Facebook page, you ought to give this a try. Sounds like it would be fun. You could win a prize. They're going to do it. Today is the last day. I've been wanting to do this all week, but I've not been able to. So I thought, well, while I don't have a headache right now, I will try it. So we'll see. Hope I'm in frame, because it has been so long since I have done a video. I need to be like Amy on Crafty Cat and distress like her. She distresses really fast. I'm gonna put some ink. Oh my lord. See, I told you I can't think. That's my husband in the background. He let the dogs out. They had to go outside to do their business. I'm not going to put that all the way down yet because we may want to put some. Yeah, let's stick this down. So I hope everyone is doing well and everyone is healthy and they don't have the bad word that we all know what it is. That sounds my cat that just jumped down. We'll put that down. Let's see, I think I want to put some, fabric under this. That's the word I'm thinking of. Told you I can't think of words right now. Having a hard time of thinking of things. That is one of the problems that I have with my migraines is that I just can't think. Can't think of anything. Some days I can't even think of my name, and that is no joke. Okay. So I got some Tim Holtz people here. Let's see, can't be too picky. Let's see how much time we have. Oh, got about halfway. Is he fit? Yes, he looks like a fine gentleman. Sort of reminds me that he would come from Ireland or something. Someone from out of the country or something. Glue this down. Let's glue him down. When I'm doing this challenge, I'm thinking of that song, Under Pressure. That's what's going in my mind. We won't sing that. Or you don't want me to sing that. Let's just say that. That wouldn't be a good thing for me to sing for you all. Well, tell. Let's find one. We'll just dump them all out. That one looks like a nice one. I have a big mess to clean up after this video. It's pretty good, a pretty well tell though. I bought these off Etsy, but while for Christmas, Santa did get me a well-tail tide punch, which it was my Christmas present to myself. And I did shop around, and I got one not cheap, but I'm happy with it because that is the one thing that I have been wanting. For a while. And I thought, well, since I've been buying whale-tail tabs off of Etsy, I might as well go ahead and buy one. Let's see, how much time? 2 minutes. I thought I might as well go ahead and buy one from Etsy, because by the time that I spend all the money and buying whale-tail tabs all the time, because I use them quite a bit. I don't know why. I love them. I just think they are so cool. Okay, we got a tag done. We have 2 minutes left. Wonder if we can do a small one. Let's see. In 2 minutes. Thought I might as well just go ahead and buy one, because by the time I buy whale-tail tabs off Etsy, I could be saving me some money. Maybe. Or maybe not. But oh, looks like she's too big. I don't think we're gonna get the second one done. Ah. Oh, here's one. Let's put some music paper under him. So, I bought me a whale-tail tab. That's the end of that story. This is probably too big. Yeah, it is. We'll tear it off along there. Throw that away. Glue him on real quick. See where we're at. Oh, we got 13 seconds. Here's this a whale-tail tab. 7, 6, 5. Ah! We ran out of time on the second one. Okay, I know. And that's not going to fit there, so we're going to put this one on the side. Let's turn this off. Okay. Well, we didn't get a second one done, but we did get a first one done. So, I don't know if that counts as challenge complete or not. Let's finish wrapping this second tag up. I want to do a Tim Holtz journal with Tim Holtz people, because that is another thing that I got, which my daughter got me some more Tim Holtz people. So this is our tag that we got finished first. So we did get this one complete. And this is the second one that we tried to complete. And we didn't make it on that, but oh well. Excuse me. So I hope everyone has a good day. Hopefully I will see you all soon. I hope it won't be as long. And they can find me something for these migraines, and I can get back on track with my videos because I've missed you all. I've missed my crafting room. I've missed doing my crafting. I've got some journals that I want to do. Actually, I've made me a list for the year. I bought me a calendar, and I made me a list of journals for the year that I want to do. I may not get them all done this year, but I will work on it. And I made myself goals for the year, goals for the month, and my goal for this month, one of them was to get to 50 subscribers, and I am to 53 subscribers. So yay, I'm so excited. And I want to thank and welcome all my new subscribers. I hope you all like what I do. And hopefully I can get on here and do some more crafting. I have a blue winter journal that I want to do. And it's a painted cover that I'm going to do. And I'm going to paint the cover. And I'm going to paint it with acrylic paints. And I'm really excited to start on it. But first, I'm going to do Strawberry Fields Journal. And it's a challenge journal. And then I'm going to work on the Blue Winter Journal. I want to get my Etsy shop set up. So I have a lot of goals that I want to get done. I just have to get rid of these crazy headaches. But the doctors will find something, I'm sure, that will do it. They did do an MRI and it came out normal. And the doctor said, well, we can't find out what's wrong with that. And I said, well, yes, there's good news in that. I said, at least I have a brain. So I know that I have a brain. So now my brother can't tell me that I don't have a brain anymore because now I have proof. So he can no longer tell me that I do not have a brain because I have paperwork that I have a brain. So good night, everyone. It was good to see you all. Try this challenge if you're not on Cara Brandon's Facebook page. You can send a request to join her page. Do this little 10-minute challenge. It was fun. Because you want to sing that song Under Pressure in your head. We did the first tag. We didn't make the second one. But okay, that's fine. And good night. Hope everyone is doing good. And I'll see everyone soon. I hope sending everyone happy thoughts. Talk to you all later. Bye.